good morning. It's me again, Emily. What I have today, I'm quite surprised. It's my first time to see in a Toyota Voxy. Now, what is Toyota Voxy? Toyota Voxy is a smaller size than the normal Vellfire, so we call it Toyota Voxy. It's a baby Vellfire. Yeah, basically their size is about similar with Nissan Serena. Yeah, and the CC wise is 2 liter. Price range is I think it's 120,000 is about that. Yeah, if you guys have budget, can consider this. It's an MPV 7-seater as well. Yeah. Baby Vellfire, Toyota Voxy. Hi guys, the car finally have done the installation of TEIN EnduraPro Plus. Now, this is to adjust your soft or hard. If you want sedikit harder, is clockwise, okay? Turn to the clockwise. If you want more lembut, more softer, then the other way around. You can adjust, turn it to opposite clockwise.